442 species in genus Valeriana. Valeriana, a personal exploration of a fascinating genus. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the natural world. From the towering redwoods of California to the delicate orchids of Vietnam, the diversity of plant life never ceases to amaze me. Recently, my interest has been piqued by a particular genus, Valeriana. Known for its medicinal properties and distinctive aroma, Valeriana offers a fascinating glimpse into the intricate world of botany and its connection to human health. What is Valeriana? Valeriana is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the Caprifoliaceae family. These herbaceous perennials are characterized by their woody roots, often emitting a pungent odor when dried. This aroma, often described as musky or earthy, is a key identifier of the genus. The plants typically feature clusters of small, white or pink flowers and can vary significantly in size, with some species reaching heights of up to 5 feet. While Valeriana officinalis, commonly known as garden valerian or just valerian, is perhaps the most well-known species, the genus encompasses a vast array of plants with diverse characteristics and geographic distributions. A diverse genus, exploring the species. The Valeriana genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 200 recognized species spread across the globe. These species exhibit a wide range of morphological and ecological adaptations, reflecting their varied habitats and evolutionary histories. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Valeriana, why it captivates me. My fascination with Valeriana stems from its multifaceted nature. It's a genus that bridges the gap between botany, medicine, and human history. The plant's long-standing use in traditional medicine speaks to its enduring impact on human well-being. From ancient remedies to modern pharmaceuticals, Valeriana continues to be explored for its potential therapeutic benefits. Furthermore, the sheer diversity within the genus offers a captivating window into the evolutionary processes that have shaped life on Earth. Each species, with its unique adaptations and ecological roles, contributes to the intricate tapestry of the natural world. Delving deeper, future explorations. My journey with Valeriana has just begun. I'm eager to delve deeper into the genus, exploring its ethnobotanical significance, pharmacological properties, and ecological roles. I believe that a deeper understanding of Valeriana can offer valuable insights into the interconnectedness of nature and human health. I'm particularly interested in learning more about the traditional uses of various Valeriana species by different cultures. How have these plants been incorporated into traditional healing practices? What knowledge can we gain from these long-standing traditions? Additionally, I'm keen to explore the latest scientific research on the medicinal properties of Valeriana. What are the mechanisms behind its purported therapeutic effects? What potential applications might it hold for future medical treatments? Finally, I want to understand the ecological significance of Valeriana species within their respective ecosystems. What roles do they play in supporting biodiversity? How are they affected by environmental changes? By pursuing these lines of inquiry, I hope to contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of this fascinating genus. I believe that the study of Valeriana can offer valuable lessons about the intricate relationships between plants, humans, and the environment.